Hello guys, welcome back to the video from the E-Innovators. In today's video, we are going to make a home automation by Google Assistant using Node MCU. Before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do it to watch our latest uploads as soon as possible. Let's get started. In this circuit, we'll be using an ESP8266 Node MCU is placed on the breadboard. Active load relay of 5 volts is used for switching. Instead of that, you can also use 12 volts or 6 volts. Jumper wires for connections and a bulb holder is used to display output of AC voltage. To process the code, ESP8266 Node MCU additional board is required. The link is in the description below. Move to the Code tab, in File, Preference, Additional Board, Manager URL, paste the link and press OK. Under the Tool section, select the board options, and after selecting the board manager, a small window will appear. From there you can see ESP8266 board is added or not. Another GitHub link is available for library and download that file as well. Under Sketch Selection, select Include Library and Add Library, and a small window will appear. Add Directory and press OK. Add from the board section, you also need to select Node MCU 1.0, that is the ESP12E module. First, you need to log in ADAFRUIT by io.accounts.adafruits.com. Link is in the description below. After sign in, you will see Action tab on the top left. In Action, select Create a new dashboard. A small window will appear. Write a name on it and press Create. Open your dashboard. On the top right, you will see some icons. Otherwise, there will be settings option there. From there, select Create New Block. In Create Block, write Relay 1 without space, press Create. A new feed will create. Then press Next Step. In Block Settings, write Block Title Relay 1, button on Text 1 and button off Text 0. Then press Create Block. First open ifttt.com/join. You can create IFTT ID or can join with other personal account. Skip the starting part. On next page, select Create on top right corner. On If This, press Add. Then search and open Google Assistant. Then select Say a Simple Phrase and connect with the Google account. Finally, press Allow. Fill all the text boxes according to the information to on the Relay 1. Commands like Light 1 on, Turn on light 1, reply like OK sir, and select language. In that part, select ADAFRUIT. For sending data, after connect and authorize, select feed and data to save as 0. Finally, press Create and finish. This whole process to on the Relay 1. Again, press Create button and do the same process to off the Relay 1. Finally, press the Home in the top right corner, and there you will see the whole process that you just did. Now for the coding part. You need to improve. First, you need to put your own Wi-Fi name and password. Second, username and AIO key by ADAFRUIT. For this, you need to move to ADAFRUIT tab and click to ADAFRUIT IO key and copy paste your name and IO key. Now in Tools icon, select Board and select Node MCU 1.0 ESP8266 module. Finally compile and run the code on Arduino. In this circuit, we place Node MCU on the breadboard. Relay 1, that is arranged with the ADAFRUIT, and IFTT is placed on the D6 pin of the Node MCU. Take a jumper wire and connect VCC of the relay and place it on the breadboard. Take another jumper wire and connect the ground of the relay and place it into the breadboard. Basically, this makes the VCC and the ground a whole circuit respectively. Active low control signal input pin of the relay is connected to the D6 pin of the Node MCU. Ground of the Node MCU is connected to the circuit ground, and the VCC of the circuit is connected to the V3 pin of the Node MCU. Finally, the 6V drive from the power supply is connected to the VCC and the ground of the circuit respectively. For the Google automation, we need the same ID as in ADAFRUIT and IFTT, like we have in our mobile. As we say or type light 1 on, it will reply us okay sir, as we write in IFTT. So here we do not add the load to it. Relay's green light is on because green light performs switching, and as we say turn off light 1,
Okay, sir, done.
it will reply okay sir, done. So green light in the relay is off.
Okay, sir.
Now for load positive of 220 volts from source is connected to the common, and the output of the relay to the bulb is connected to the normally open. As we say or write light 1 on, our load is on, and when we say turn off light 1, our load will turn off.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir, done.
So guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and also subscribe the channel to watch our latest uploads as soon as possible. Also join us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links are in the description below. See you guys in the next video shortly. Bye bye, stay safe, peace out.